Silos and storage tanks, tunnels and underground mines, intricate piping systems and complex industrial structures are just some examples of hazardous spaces which require periodic inspections. Inspecting areas and structures that are dangerous, cluttered, or that physically render human access impossible often requires weeks of preparation, lengthy downtime, unwanted safety risks, and large costs for scaffolding, equipment, and manpower. At ISH24, we have a solution to save your company time and money. Harnessing the availability of the latest technology of unmanned aerial vehicles, HarveyWallBanger, our collision-tolerant drone, is capable of exploring and inspecting even the most inaccessible areas. With a full HD high-resolution video camera providing a wide field of view, a thermal video camera to detect things the human eye can't see, onboard LED lighting to inspect even the darkest environments, inbuilt data storage, and wireless communication providing a live feed back to the pilot, HarveyWallBanger can be deployed within minutes. Performing an entire inspection is no longer a matter of days, but hours. Scaffolding, rope access, or cranes are no longer needed. HarveyWallBanger can be flown over 100 metres above ground inside an enclosed space, such as a boiler or chimney, while the pilot stands safely outside. The drone signal is strong enough to be navigated from hundreds of metres away through multiple metallic barriers or from several rooms away in a standard building, and its wireless capabilities allow the pilot to navigate the drone to the most inaccessible places up to 500 metres in direct line of sight. HarveyWallBanger, reducing downtime, improving safety and lowering cost. Call ISH24 now for your free demonstration.